Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series. And I thought we would go back to the German recipes. We haven't done one in a little while. This one is called Bauernbrot. It is also known as like farmer's bread. And it's kind of a mix of white and wheat, and it's called a gray bread in German. So gray being like the difference between black bread and white bread. It's kind of halfway in between. Black bread being very, very full of grain, and then white bread being white bread as we know it today. So this one's called gray bread, and that is wheat but mixed with white. Yes? So that's what we're making today. So let's get started.
Only a few simple ingredients. We need 1 to 2 cups or around 150 grams of white flour, which is German number 405 or 550. 2 cups or 280 grams of unbleached flour, which is German number 1050. 1 tablespoon sugar. 2 teaspoons salt. 1.5 cups or 380 milliliters of warm water. 1 tablespoon dry yeast. Mix the yeast with the warm water and sugar. Stir them together to activate the yeast. Then, in a large mixing bowl, combine unbleached flour with salt and stir in the yeast mixture. Then knead in white flour until mixture forms a soft dough but is not sticky. You may not need the whole amount of white flour. Cover and allow to rise for an hour. Punch down dough and knead briefly. Either form into a loaf and place into a greased loaf pan, or form into a ball and place on a lined baking sheet. Brush with water on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for another 20 minutes. Brush the top with butter. This is a lovely hearty bread. It has a great crunchy crust and the inside is soft and fluffy. It has a slightly salty taste, so it works great for sandwiches or just on its own. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.